Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bommer. This is their part number F7000-31A-646. What that is it's a top pivot. This is a top pivot for their 7112 series double acting door unit. This video is going to serve as visual evidence of the item. It's going to serve as dimensional evidence of the item. If you have a 7112 and you're going to see 7112s when you have a heavy-duty double-acting pivot, quite frankly, you'll see these in courtroom doors. The millwork caliber doors that are in courtrooms, the small half doors, you'll see these very often installed there. And what we're dealing with here is a 646 finish, which is satin nickel. Okay. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Template, and it's really a document as it pertains to the entire 7112, which has it's a technical drawing showing the entire unit. They don't have just a technical drawing only of this unit, but nonetheless, here we go. Now, let's take some dimensional properties of this item. Why someone would buy this alone, I really can't say. It's unusual for something so substantial, and this weighs about 7/10 of a pound. Maybe the door was removed for staining or painting or something, and the part was lost, perhaps? I'm guessing. Overall height of the plate, just heavy on 2 1/4, with an overall projection of about 2 1/2. Width of the plate itself, about 1 1/4 inches. Okay, it's going to include the door portion. This gets mortised up into the top of the door. Then your installation will look like that, and the door is going to pivot inside of the bracket, just like this. Screws are, of course, included in a complementary finish. You'll need 3 for the mounting of the bracket, and those are the ones that are slightly darker. Then you've got the typical zinc screws here, and that's going to be for the door portion. Okay, and this is intended to be mortised to the top of the door. Okay, you might just drill 3 holes with a Forstner bit. I don't know the diameter of these. I'm going to guess about 3/4 inch. No need to guess. It's 7/8 of an inch. Okay. Now, so we've got the link below this video to the document called Template. There's then a link to the installation instructions, but again, that's for the entire 7112, of which, you know, this is only the top pivot. It is nice that Bommer makes these pieces available to us separately, and that top pin, of course, will come out for you to be able to get everything installed. And again, handy to be able to purchase only these parts, because the 7112, the total unit, is quite a costly endeavor when it comes to a double-acting door piece of equipment. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bommer products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. This item does not have a Bommer logo on it. Their hinges do. Some other of their products have logos on it, and if it did have a logo, it would say Bommer and Made in USA. A fact that Bommer is quite proud of, as am I to represent them. If you have any questions on the Bommer F7000-31A in a 646 finish, and of course it's which is satin nickel or US 15, more appropriate to call it 646 because that means the base material is not non-ferrous. It means it's a steel base material. Any questions on this or any other Bommer item, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.